Lesson 3: Addition and Subtraction. In the previous class, we have learned how to add and subtract big numbers. Let us revise them. Adding 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Study the following examples to make the ideas clear. Example: add 4821,565, 32,14,652, 1259747. Solution. Always remember to start your sums from the ones column. Explanation. Step 1. Add the ones. 5 plus 2 plus 7 equals 14. Write 4 in the ones place. Step 2. Add the tens. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 equals 16. Write 6 in the tens place. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 equals 19. Write 9 in the hundreds place. Step 4. Add the thousands. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 equals 15. Write 5 in the thousands place. Step 5. Add the 10,000s. 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 9. Write 9 in the 10,000s place. Step 6. Add the lakhs. 8 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. Write 2 in the lakhs place. Step 7. Add the 10 lakhs. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals 9. Write 9 in the 10 lakhs place. So the sum is 9295964. Finding out missing digits. Example 1. Fill in the correct digits in the blank boxes. Solution. Hint. In the ones column, 7 minus 5 equals 2. In the tens column, 8 minus 3 equals 5. In the 10,000s column, 8 plus 0 equals 8. In the lakhs column, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum. This can be written as sum addend 1 is equal to addend 2. Or sum addend 2 is equal to addend 1. Word problems on addition. Example 1. The government gave 28,32,650 rupee to build a road in a village. The people of village collected 3,52,655 rupee more. How much money was available to build the road? Solution. Amount given by the government is equal to 28,32,650 rupees. Amount collected by the people is equal to 3,52,655 rupees. Thus, total amount collected is equal to 28,32,650 rupees plus 3,52,655 rupees. Thus, total 31,85,305 rupees were collected to build the road. Subtraction. In a problem on subtraction, the larger number from which we subtract the other number is called the minuend and the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. The result of subtraction is called the difference between the given numbers. The following examples will make the concept very clear. Example: subtract 5425,872 from 7583,271. Solution: we have minuend is equal to 75,83,271 and subtrahend is equal to 5425,872. Arranging the digits of the subtrahend below the digits of minuend and subtracting column ways, we get. Hence, difference is equal to 2157399. Explanation. Step 1. Subtracting ones. We cannot subtract 2 ones from 1 1. So, we borrow 1 10. Leaving behind 6 tens. Now, 1 10 plus 1 1 is equal to 10 ones plus 1 1 is equal to 11 ones. And 11 ones minus 2 ones equal to 9 ones. Write 9 under ones column. Step 2. Subtracting tens. We cannot subtract 7 tens from 6 tens. So, we borrow 100 from 2 hundreds, leaving behind 100. Now, 100 plus 6 tens equal to 10 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 16 tens and 16 tens minus 7 tens equal to 9 tens. Write 9 under tens column. Step 3. Subtracting hundreds. We cannot subtract 8 hundreds from 100. So, We borrow 1,000 from 3,000s, leaving behind 2,000s. Now, 1,000 plus 100 is equal to 10 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 11 hundreds and 11 hundreds minus 8 hundreds is equal to 3 hundreds. Write 3 under hundreds column. Step 4. Subtracting thousands. We cannot subtract 5,000s from 2,000s. So, we borrow 1 10,000 from 8 10,000s, leaving behind 7 10,000s. Now, 1 10,000 plus 2,000s is equal to 10,000s plus 2,000s is equal to 12,000s. 12,000s minus 5,000s is equal to 7,000s. Write 7 under thousands column. Step 5. Subtracting 10,000s. 7 10,000s minus 2 10,000s equal to 5 10,000s. Write 5 under 10,000s column. Step 6. Subtracting lakhs. 5 lakhs minus 4 lakhs equal to 1 lakh. Write 1 under lakhs column. Step 7. Subtracting 10 lakhs. 7 10 lakhs minus 5 10 lakhs equal to 2 10 lakhs. Write 2 under 10 lakhs column. Example 2. Find the difference between 832593216 and 6768188618. Solution. Here, both the given numbers are 9-digit numbers. Comparing their leftmost digits, we find that 8 greater than 6, since 832593216 greater than 6768188618. So, minuend is equal to 83 crores 25 lakhs 93,216 and subtrahend is equal to 6768188618. Writing the digits of the minuend and the subtrahend in the column form and then subtracting as usual, we have. Hence, the difference between 832593216 and 6768188618 is 155774598. Word problems on subtraction. Example 1. The sum of two numbers is 4148653. If one of the numbers is 29,80,968, find the other number. Solution. The sum of two numbers is equal to 4148653. One number is equal to 29,80,968. The other number is equal to 41,48,653 minus 2980968. Thus, the other number is 1167,685. Find out missing digits. Example 1. Fill in the correct digits in the blank boxes. Solution. Explanation. In the ones column, 5 minus 3 equals 2. In the tens column, 8 minus 4 equals 4. In the thousands column, 6 minus 4 equals 2. In the lakhs column, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Addition and subtraction together. Example. What must be subtracted from 9 to 956 to make it equal to the sum of 3 crores 25 lakhs 78,256 and 4 crores 56 lakhs 29,825. Solution. First, add 3 to 578 to 56 and 456 to 9825. Subtracting 78 to 08081 from 9 to 956 Thus, the required number is 14748 to 04.